understanding that death, as we call it, is only of the physical body. And imagining that you suddenly disincarnate and your perispirit, astral body, is attracted by a degree of suffering and pain. What would you do? Hi everyone, I'm going to talk a little bit about advice on how to keep your perispirit light and healthy. Perispirit is a subtler, lighter, more fluid, vaporous body as described in the Book of Mediums and the Book of Spirits. The fluidity of your perispirit will be lighter or more brutish, depending on where you connect your thoughts and emotions. How are your thoughts? How are your emotions? Are they negative or positive? If you have negative thoughts and emotions such as wishing harm to others, having hatred, anger, revenge thoughts, envy, arrogance, greed, your perispirit will become denser, heavier, and will add a kind of morbid fluid created by your own mind with your emotions. Remember that your emotions give life to all mental creations. This mental creation begins to exist simultaneously, adding to the perispirit. There comes a time when the perispirit can no longer handle it, and it begins to expel all that morbid fluid of negative thoughts into your physical body. And this is one of the several reasons why diseases can appear. So what can we do to change this? We must do a cleanup in our mental body. We have to change our negative thoughts to positive ones and genuinely feel with emotion in our hearts. For example, we must stop gossiping, speaking ill of others, stop thinking badly of others, stop feeling anger, envy, arrogance, and so on. Replace them with good things for the attributes of your mental body, such as fraternity, patience, tolerance, understanding, friendship, humility, joy of spirit, optimism, love, mainly developing love for everyone, especially those who do you harm and offend you. If you do this, your perispirit will become lighter and completely free from this morbid fluid. Therefore, if you pass away suddenly with this elevated vibration, your perispirit will be so light, in such a good vibration that you will be attracted to a dimension where spirits with the same feelings reside. In other words, you will find a lot of spirits similar to you in the same vibration, with good thoughts and emotions. On the other hand, if you have negative emotions, your perispirit can be attracted to a degree of suffering and pain in a dimension. So we have to pay attention to our thoughts and emotions and be vigilant with ourselves and not with others. Even if people are doing something wrong, it is not up to us to judge. Feel love for these people, feel compassion, have tolerance, resilience, and even indulgence. If you harbor all of this within you, you will have a light and healthy perispirit, and you will also have a healthy physical body, and you can avoid various diseases. Of course, it's not easy to constantly watch our thoughts, but trying to change this flow helps us to know ourselves better, and that is already a great evolution for ourselves. As Jesus said, pray and be vigilant. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found value in it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. This helps me a lot to grow my channel and allows me to continue creating free content for you. Thanks for watching.